Today, I'm going to be making my own customized beer paddles. This is going to be a combination of ideas that I've found online, and I'm also going to be laminating the timber, which will be a first for me, so it should be a nice little challenge. I've got 16 glasses arriving in the mail. They should be here any day, so I'm going to make 4 paddles with 4 holes each. So it should be a bit of fun trying and sampling different beers with friends at home. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get straight into it. So I've purchased some Gorilla wood glue and some timber specifically for this project. And the first thing I'll be doing is getting them timbers, putting them together in a bit of a stripy pattern. Got 2 different types to give a bit of color. That should make the end product really pop, especially with some varnish on the end. And once all that's set, we'll go from there. And that's all the pieces glued together. Turned out to be a little bit more difficult than I thought. With all that glue, the timbers ended up being quite slippery, making it difficult to clamp square, but it's pretty close, and there is going to be a fair bit of spare timber there for sanding and a bit of wastage, so I wasn't particularly set on it being exactly right. I'll get 3 boards out of this bit and another board out of this piece here. First time using this glue also, so we'll see how that works. It's a 24-hour set, pretty confident with it. This will be the width of the boards, minus a little bit of sanding on the sides. I probably won't need all of that height here. I'll show you the design once it's still dry. So I'll check in shortly. It's been 24 hours, the glue's set, and in the meantime, my parcel has arrived. So I have 2 boxes of 8 beer glasses. Here they are, looking pretty awesome. I'm very happy with that. So it'll be 4 of these per paddle. For now, I'm gonna head back to where I've laminated the pieces. They've had the 24 hours to dry, so I'll take all those clamps off and we can look at drawing out the shape and pattern of what they're going to look like and cutting them on the bandsaw. Calamity, disaster. I was about to start cutting out the final board and my bandsaw blade suddenly started jolting and then it snapped. Not sure exactly what happened, maybe one of the guards got in the way. The band's definitely quite old anyway, but it means I've had to order a new one, and that's a special order from Bunnings, and it's not arriving for about a week. So for the sake of this video and just continuing on with what I've got, I'm just going to finish off making 3 of the boards, and I'll probably finish making the 4th and final one off camera later on in about a week. So with that said, it's time to start sanding. I'm pretty pleased with the cuts on the bandsaw blade, but they are a bit rough, so we're going to require a fair bit of sanding. I'm not going to get it ultra smooth because I've still got to drill all the holes, and so there'll be finishing sanding to do anyway, and we'll look at spacing after that. Okay, so that's those 3 sanded. They're pretty smooth now, a little bit more, but like I said, I'll do them after. So the design I'm going to go here is 4 holes for the glasses along this spot here. And then I'm also going to cut in some oval shapes on either side, and that's going to create a little bit of a handle. So we'll mark those out and get the hole saw and the jigsaw ready to cut them out. And so that's all the holes drilled out and also the handles done, and I've given it all a bit of a sand so they're nice and smooth. It's been a little while, I think just over a week since I was last in the shed. I ended up catching the dreaded cold again. So more or less recovered from that, and it's time to finish off the project. Unfortunately, the bandsaw blade still hasn't arrived. I thought even with this timer maybe it would be here, but it's still in transit. Before I varnish, I'm just going to show you guys how it all works. I put 4 of the glasses in this one here. They sit nice and flush on the ground, a little bit of wiggle room. The handles sit up quite nicely, so they're very easy to pick up. And then the glasses sit about halfway on the tray. Nice and sturdy. Easy to move around, and once we get to the table again, that just pops back down on the ground. So time to get some varnish on it, and we're close to being able to fill up the cups and have some beer tasting. With 2 coats of varnish done, leaving it in the background here to dry. Once that's done, I think it's time to sample a few beers with some friends and test them out. Yeah. If you're looking to make up some yourself, I hope you found this video helpful. All the best with your future projects, guys. Thanks for tuning in, making it to the end of the video. I'll see you on the next one.